What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is kind of like a PSA about the accidental touches that happen with your Galaxy Note 10. I didn't have this issue on any other Galaxy phone in my life, really no other phone, period, but I get it quite a bit with this phone. I absolutely love this phone, but it's one of the annoyances I have about this phone. So basically what it means, you'll have this phone in your pocket and it'll accidentally turn off my Bluetooth because eventually like my leg hits it and taps a couple buttons and Bluetooth is off or disconnected, or it calls somebody, or it opens an app, or it just does something I'm not wanting it to do. And it's because of some features that are baked into the settings. If you go in there, if you have them turned on, I believe they're turned on by default, and they are under the motions and gestures, and they are lift to wake and also potentially double tap to wake. When you have those turned on, you can have your phone accidentally do some things that you don't want it to do. Now, you can also go into the settings, and this one is under display, and make sure that you have turned on accidental touch protection. And if you read that, it says protects your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, such as a pocket or a bag. Now, if that worked in a perfect world, it would be fine, but I do have that turned on and it still does accidental touches when it's in my pocket. So it's just a huge annoyance. So the way I figured out to do it, and this is like, so I keep accidental touches on, but I also have still lift to wake and double tap to wake also turned on the phone. And the only fix I have is to put the phone in my pocket a certain way instead of it, putting it so that the face is touching my leg. I literally, and this is my PSA, maybe you weren't thinking about like this, is to make the screen face outward so that the back of the phone is touching my leg, and then the actual screen itself is pointing out away from my leg. And that's the only way I've been able to get this to fully work properly so that it doesn't cause accidental touches and everything works absolutely fine. Again, it's very, very simple, but it's not something I was thinking about for a while, unfortunately, and that has worked for me perfectly. So if you've had this issue, let me know in the comments down below. If something has worked for you other than what I'm showing you, share it with the community and let us know. But otherwise, try that out. Let me know if it works for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you down the road.